nothing like casting for pike and spinning. There he is. Good one. You wanna get a net for me? Woo! It's Ty again here with Get the Gaff Outdoors. Thanks again for watching. Already made a video this morning, so I'm kind of feeling lazy about the intro, so this is it right now. Heading down to a creek that I like to fish a lot for smallies. I haven't caught a smallie yet all year, so hoping to catch a few. I know this creek has them, but it still just might be a little bit too early, so we'll see. Well, this is kind of disappointing, but it's not disappointing because I caught it, but I thought I was just recording that whole time. I got hammered on the Ned rig by this smallie. Unfreaking real, but I wasn't recording. It hit like a ton of bricks, fought like heck. Ended up flipping it, but we'll get a weight and a measurement here real quick. Like, looks like 14.5 inches. Which is not quite worth weighing, but we'll put them back nicely. Thanks for playing, bud. All right, I tied on like this 1/4 ounce jig with a little swim bait. We'll see if we can catch anything here with that, but if it doesn't, whoa, bad cast. If it doesn't, we'll throw some worms out there and see what we can make happen. I can see a smallmouth right up there. Oh, there's 2 of them. I think they're smallmouth. Maybe they're carp or like suckers or something. Dude, what are they doing? I know you guys on the GoPro can't see it, but there's bubbles and stuff kicking up and I can see them swimming back and forth. I'll throw this in there just real quick just to see if I can get one. On right away, instantly. Oh, that was sweet. See, live bait isn't always the answer. Nice little like 12-inch smallmouth. Oh, dude, yes. All right, first one on video of the year. That was instant. All right, see you later, little buddy. We're gonna see if we can catch another one real quick. I know that was not the most graceful release, but that was absolutely instantly that was hit. I don't know why the worm wasn't, but that was. I was just like kind of retrieving it. I mean, it was in the water for like a second, maybe. On again. 2 casts in a row. Tighten my drag just a hair. Yeah, he swam at me. This one did. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. I'm wrapped around that. There we go. That one's a little bit better. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna come over here. Yep, we're gonna come over here. Atta girl. This one wanted it. There we go. There we go. That is a good bass. Look at that. That thing is gone. It actually picked it up and came at me. Actually, how about that? A little bit better lighting for you guys. That's an awesome bass. Oh yeah, this one's bigger. This one's 16.5. Yeah, 16.5, almost 17 inches. Oh yeah, 213. All right, 17 inch. That's a 2-pound smallmouth in this little tiny creek. Let's go. All right, we're gonna put this one back because I think they were doing some spawning stuff. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, she'll be fine. Oh yeah. Whew. Let's catch another one. Boy, how about that though? Both those fish did not bite in live bait, they bit on the artificial, which I think is pretty cool. Well, I just caught another. I thought I was recording the whole time again, but I was about to move spots, but I saw a big fish swimming. I casted. This was not it, but this is like a 14, 15 incher. The first one I caught was like a 12, so this is the third fish I've caught out of this one spot here. I think I'm gonna throw a couple more casts still, but we'll let this one go. Wow, number 4. Let's go. Honestly, and like now that I'm looking at it, I could see my jig on the bottom. That water's probably not more than 3 feet deep. That's awesome. Hey. Hey there. Let me throw 2 more casts and I'll cross into that side with you and we'll go down because no luck over here. I've been fishing this. Oh! That's a pink! Easy, buddy. Easy. Easy, buddy. Easy, bud. Dude, I already caught a 2-pounder. Really? It's okay, Case. I can get over really easy. Yeah, okay. Oh, there he is. That's a doozy. He hit right in front of me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Gross. Oh yeah, this one's bigger. 244.
Wow.
Yeah. Last one was like 16 and a half. This one is an even 17 and a quarter.
Well, I just sat and...
This guy back. You were great luck, Case. Thanks for showing up, buddy. Here. Yeah, I know. It's not looking good, is it? I'm pretty sure I just had a bite, though, but I don't know.
I don't know. You were sitting in shallow water. And your cast was at end was right here, right?
Yeah, I was in here. I'm going to throw a couple more. We can just keep moving. We don't...
Pretty sure this
Yawned? You were over here talking. Oh, and you caught him on the ultralight. Jeez, Louise. You gonna get him in, bud?
You know what? I'll be fine. Did you catch that jump?
I hope so. Is he gonna decide to run?
He's gonna think about it. Give it a second.
Oh, dude, that's a good one, bud.
I know.
That is a good one, buddy. I hope my line isn't shit. You're good. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Oh, dude, that might be bigger than mine.
Got him.
Oh, Case.
Oh, that is a giant. That is a
Wow. What is that? Oh my goodness.
That was thick too.
All right, zeros. $3.19. 319. That's a 3. That's all of a 3-pound smallmouth, Case.
Almost 19.
19.
Wow.
We'll call her 19. Case.
Oh, come on, there he goes.
Hey. Heck yeah. Woo! Glad you came down.
I'm glad I gave you that.
Right as I started recording, you lost him. Give him the beans, kid.
I did, but I
Give him the beans,
have a
kid.
tiny little pole.
You should have done more thinkificating. So what works really well for these Ned rigs is basically half a Senko. I mean, it's what you use. They make like actual Ned rig kind of baits, but yeah.
Moved it. I stung him too. So.
Oh yeah, you stung the shit out of him.
He wasn't that big though, compared.
Yeah, I could. That was cool. Did he hit right there?
Cool. Right there.
When we land him?
If you want to, you can. I bet you I can horse it.
I don't want you to boof it. Oh, my boots almost got wet. Dude.
Right, so this is gonna be dark. I'm gonna work over here. I'll try not to step on the pole.
Still fight him. Still fight him. Fight him, fight him, fight him. You're good. Through my legs.
Yeah, Ty.
He's through my legs. Good thing you hooked him well.
Oh. He ate it. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh no, he smoked it. There you go, bud. That's probably a 15-incher, isn't it?
It's not that small.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Nice.
Dude, he hit close.
Yeah, he did. Think I can just throw him?
Yeah, he'll be all right.
Ow,
That hurt.
I didn't want to.
That hurt.
He's fine though.
Yeah, he'll be all right.
Right there, as I had continuous movement, and then I got in the current.
Uh-oh. Go slowly, just slow. Oh, you got it.
But
I'm on. Ooh. I got picked up all the way over there. He picked it up off the bottom. I got it. We're good.
Want me to land it?
He's not a giant. Oh, okay, I might be wrong.
You are using a bait caster.
I say he's not letting me come in. The drag's kicking in. You wanna get the scale ready? That's a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. On the netter rig. See, that's the thing. No, I'll get it. Right. That's the thing about the Ned rig though, is they can pick it up off the bottom. Cause standing up. Did you see that jump? Come on, buddy.
Pay attention, Ty.
Is the hooking good? I can't tell. Really. Is it not? Oh, it's not in good at all. Give me the net. Give me the net. Give me the net. Give me the net.
Don't horse it. Don't horse it.
Give me the net. He's good.
Why is it stuck?
This is a good one. I don't know if he's as big as the other one that I caught, but it's a good one.
May not be locked. There you go.
Oh, yeah, it's not that good. That's a good fish though. That is, see now this one's got eggs in it. Look, the hook just came out. The hook just fell right out. Yeah, this one's probably a 2-pounder, but it's, see if it's 2 or not.
I bet you it is.
All right, we're at zeros. Oh, dude, this is bigger than my last one. Just because it's got eggs, 2.2.
Nice.
All right. Go back, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, taking off upstream. Talk about healthy fish. That was on the little Ned rig, not the swim bait.
Nice.
And it was the one that... And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. That was a good day. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, Case, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you liked the video. And Case just got nettles in his crotch. Yep, all right, that's it. Bye. Nothing like casting for pike and spinning. There he is. Good one. You wanna get a net for me? Woo!